Hi everyone, this is Sarita. This is my first video which I am posting through my channel. So in this video, I just want to give basic idea of ETL. So what is ETL? ETL stands for extract, transform and load. I would like to give real life example which we can relate to ETL. Those who are already familiar with ETL, that's fine, but who are new to this ETL concepts, they can understand very easily if we can relate to the real life example. Here it is. Suppose if you would like to curry, what we will do, we have to extract the vegetables from fridge. So and then we have to clean the vegetables and we can cut them into desired size or shape, whatever it is. And then we will prepare curry so that we can load it into a bowl and then we can serve. So here extraction, transformation and loading, three of the things happening. In the same way, in data warehouse, ETL is used to extract the data from different sources and transform the data into the desired format and load the data into the desired destinations. Here when we are saying sources, it can be anything. It can be a SQL Server table, we can extract the data from a table, we can extract the data from text file, or it could be Excel file, or it could be a Salesforce, it could be anything. And we can transform the data by using different transformation logics based upon the requirement, and then we can load the data into the destination. Here, what is SSIS? SSIS is one of the ETL tool. It's a Microsoft tool. SSIS stands for SQL Server Integration Services. So in further videos, I'll explain by using SSIS how we can extract the data from different sources and what are all the transformations useful for transforming the data and how we will load it into the destinations. These things we can discuss in further videos. If you find these videos helpful for you, follow my channel. Thank you.